What's going on, world? It's your boy Carbonate from Epic Whipz, mate. And today, it's a new day. And I'm working on the 8 once again. But we're doing the rear coilovers. Stopped yesterday because I ran out of time and, just ran out of time and light. So the front ones are done. And now we're going to be working on rear ones. And as you see, got pretty much stuff out. That's all we need. Now, we're just gonna be taking off all these bolts and stuff. Boom, one there. There's another one over there. So just take them out. And then, gotta take this one out over here. You see that? And it's the ABS line again. If you want to disconnect that. Boom, goes to 17s. And then you have at the back here, let's see, this right here at the back, have to take that out too. So it's gonna be interesting. It'll be very interesting. But let's get to work, mate, because I want to get this thing done. I want to get this done. So pretty much got that off. This is the bolts off on there. You can see it's not very nice. Got that one off too. You see it? It's off over here. And then there's one. Let's see if I can get it. If you can see it, but it's right here. Have to. This right here. Gotta take that one off. Alright, so we got both of them out, as you can see. Gonna transfer these over to over here. We're gonna have to use, obviously, these bad boys. Spring, tension, whatever you want to call them. And then we put it back in, and we're pretty much done. It's a bit of a struggle getting these out. I'm not gonna lie to you. Even on the other side, I couldn't even get it out. Oh, fuck. I couldn't even get this one out. I'm like, I'm just leave it in there. I was still able to get this out, move it around. I can still move this around. It's gonna get moved. So there's still area to work, pretty much. So you don't have to take off all of them. You can leave this one on, to be honest, but you want to loosen it up so you can move it around, give some wiggle room. So I know this is not a surprise, but yeah, I have like no bug stopper. Literally nothing. It's all gone. It's disintegrated. There's nothing there. I'm not joking. So this is what I'm talking about. This bug stopper is pretty much gone. There's no bug stopper. So yeah, that's what happens with RX8s, mate. You gotta change your struts out, because that goes out, mate. So anyway, let me see this more. Terrible. All right. I'm just gonna just do both of them at the same time, since I have both of them out. Just go ahead and get it done, mate. Alright, so got them on, looking good. Got it to pretty much 1.5. I don't know what my ride height should be, but it's coilovers, so it's adjustable. So I can take it off and then readjust it if I wanted to. So, but for now, we're just gonna do with that. That's what it says in the book: 1.5 in the rear, 1.7 in the front. So put them back on and see how it looks. Alright, so we got it in. Just hand tighten the nuts at the top, but about to torque it down. I believe these 17s, one here and one here, these 17s are torqued at, I remember, I gotta go back and check, but I believe these are torqued. Alright, so these are torqued at 70 foot-pounds of torque, and this one right here, this one right here is 80 foot-pounds of torque. So we got everything in, everything torque wrenched down. These are 70s, and the one down here is 80. The one up here that you go straight up, that is actually 30, I believe. Yeah, I think it's 30. Okay, now we got it in, mate. I didn't have this black thing on before, and I was wondering, like, how the hell am I gonna get all this shit on? I reevaluated my situation and realized I forgot this. So now we got it back on, and I'll put this on. There you go. There it is. Bam. Put these on there. Boom. Put that on there, and bada bing, bada boom. But first, we gotta do that side. Wait, I did that side. Would you look at that one, mate? Fantastic. So we can put that back on. Bang on. Alright. Got the strap bar back in. Everything's locked and secure. All the coilovers are in. We're not gonna lower it. I know I want to lower it so bad right now, but I'm not going to because it doesn't make sense. Because I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing the brakes and rotors today. Maybe not. I don't know just yet, but definitely doing the brakes and rotors. So I might as well just keep it on the forge right now until we do that, and then we can set it down and see where we're at as far as the adjustment layer. I'm talking Premiere Pro. Once we put it down, we'll adjust the ride height to see where we're at with it, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to be satisfied with the stock Tein ride height that they tell you to put. Oh man. And that's that, right? Jeez. A couple things. Over here, there is a nut that actually slips right in there. So if that does come off, just slip it right back in there. Put that in there, tighten up. What I would suggest is if you have a lift that brings the car way higher than this, then don't even worry about it. But if you're going to do something like this, like how I did it on these jack stands, then my suggestion is to torque wrench this down first before you torque wrench this down. I say that because to torque wrench this, literally I had to move this out the way to get a good angle to torque wrench that. It's kind of difficult, but if you actually perform the task, you understand what I'm talking about. But that's my suggestion. Torque wrench this down first, and then torque wrench this down. And the one down here is whatever. It's whatever. But yeah, that's my suggestion. That's the little trouble I ran into. Another thing was, that's another thing. As I was torque wrenching this down, I have the jack stand on that right there, that part of the car, and literally, I shit you not. Let me show you. It was dead in the way. I was like, are you kidding me? Like, of all places where that goes, my torque wrench right onto it. So I had to jack it up, move the torque wrench out, to torque wrench this, put the jack back in, sit it down. So it's another little quirky thing that you have to look out for. So, but that's just me putting that there. So, and it's the same thing on the other side as well. So just be mindful of that. But yeah, everything else is pretty simple. Honestly, it wasn't too tough. So we finally got the coilovers in, got the job done. It took us 2 days, but hey, I'm just one person. It's just me, so whatever. And plus, I was just taking my time with it. So take your time, you can do it yourself. Honestly, you don't have to pay someone to do it. But my clutch kit, I'm definitely gonna have to pay someone to do it. We're gonna keep it up right now, but definitely once we get the rotors and brake pads in, we're gonna put it back down, see how that that level looks, and if it needs some adjustments, we'll adjust it. If it doesn't, then hey, no adjustments needed. I'm gonna eat something. I'm hungry. But, well, that's it. Got the coilovers in. It's your boy Carbonate. Thank you for watching Epic Whipz, man.